Hello and welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Litecoin chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And before I get into the technical analysis, allow me first to start with the fundamental analysis, where you can see that we now have 17 days, 6 hours, and 25 minutes at the time of this recording to the next Litecoin halving event. And as a result of this event, I'm expecting a lot of volatility on the charts, and this is an event that we need to have in mind. And getting back to the charts to give you my technical analysis and also my next price targets here on the Litecoin chart, you can see that Litecoin at the time of this recording is holding above a key area of support at around the $91.3 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up, see a break above this ascending trend line that we have here on the charts at around the $97 mark. And the moment we manage to break above the $97 mark, which is also acting as resistance, then we can expect Litecoin to continue gearing up and get above the $103.25 mark, get a successful retest of that key area of resistance, and then continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Additive Structures, where you can see that after seeing the low on the 14th of June, at around the $70.67 mark, we started gearing up, impulsively obeying the Additive Structures, where we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, saw a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, saw a wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally we saw the formation of that wave 5, giving us a high at around the $115.18 mark, completing the formation of this larger additive count 1. And after seeing the breakout move in the formation of that wave 1, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger additive count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, which is the area between the $98.09 mark and the $87.62 mark, which is an area that we have now almost fully maximized. And soon I'm expecting Litecoin to give us a reaction of this target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $163.11 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. And since we are just a few days to the Litecoin halving, which is an event that can bring about a lot of volatility, there are high chances that soon we are going to see the reaction for the target area in this second wave, start gearing up, see a break above significant areas of resistances, and start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, I will also be expecting to see Litecoin give us a complete 5-wave structure here on the charts, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Litecoin chart, and those are my breakout targets ahead of the Litecoin halving event. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 40 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, still suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.